Car accidents are a common occurrence, and unfortunately, they can sometimes result in devastating consequences. In addition to the physical and emotional toll, they can also result in various types of other losses. Today, we're going to explore the different categories of loss one might experience after a car accident and the different types of compensation that are available under the law. First, we'll start with pecuniary or financial damages, which are losses that can be easily quantified in financial terms. These kinds of losses are the direct expenses arising from an accident and can include things like medical costs, lost wages, future care expenses, and other out-of-pocket costs. In Nova Scotia, medical costs can include out-of-pocket costs incurred to pay for things like medical assistive devices, so things like crutches, bandages, a commode, medication expenses, or other out-of-pocket costs that are directly related to the accident. It's important to note, though, that in the first 4 years following a car accident, your no-fault benefits coverage should cover the cost of any necessary treatment for medical care outside of the provincially insured medical system. Often, this includes things like physiotherapy, chiropractic, massage therapy, and even counseling and psychological care. If you are unable to work due to a car accident, the income you've lost can be included in your claim. This isn't limited to past losses either. If your accident is serious and expected to either reduce your earning capacity or keep you out of work entirely, your anticipated future lost income or loss of earning capacity is also recoverable. In cases requiring long-term care, such as rehabilitation or physical therapy, these expenses, both those that have been incurred already and those that are anticipated into the future, are also compensable. Non-pecuniary damages are losses that are not easily quantifiable in monetary terms, and they are often subjective and deeply personal. These losses include physical pain and emotional distress resulting from the accident, which we refer to as pain and suffering damages. Conditions like depression, anxiety, and post-traumatic stress disorder are treated like physical injuries and are considered when assessing a potential claim for damages arising out of a car accident. Special damages cover actual out-of-pocket expenses incurred due to a vehicle accident. These can include any out-of-pocket expense you would have incurred that you would not have had to pay but for the accident, and can often include things like transportation costs, so your expenses related to traveling to and from the hospital or medical appointments, whether by taxi, private car, or bus. And while damage to your vehicle is handled through the property damage side of your insurance policy, the cost to repair or replace any personal property owned by a claimant that was damaged during an accident can also be claimed. In conclusion, a car accident may result in various types of losses, ranging from those that are quantifiable expenses to more subjective emotional and physical damage. It's essential to understand these categories of loss and the compensation that may be available to you to ensure that accident victims receive the support that they need during what can be a very challenging recovery period. Drive safely and responsibly to reduce the risk of accidents both to you and to others, and remember to call Wagner's with any car accident-related questions you might have.